using Affinity Photo to create your YouTube thumbnail. The thumbnail that goes on screen ahead of your YouTube video. Now I've already got it set up here, so this is just a quick look through the history and the layers panel. Tap on start and up that comes, and you can see the image is 1280 pixels by 720 pixels. And I've got the Creative Indie on there and a white background, red border. Quite simply done with the layers. You can see the red border there, gone, back in. And you could put any border you like in there by just changing that fill colour. The rectangle, the white rectangle, if I close that, it shows the complete red fill. The spy logo, you can put whatever image you like in there. And Creative Indie, 2 words, top and bottom. The creative is in white, so it goes against the black background, and Indie in black against the white background, and of course the word the at the top. Easy done. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, as they say. Let's close that.